Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MCIC. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. I'm pretty sure I've never done this one before, but had a bunch of requests and questions come in on it today, and rightfully so. Very nice looking day. What I'm going to look at here, like I said, is a 60-minute chart, just because the daily chart, if we look at that real quick, really doesn't tell you much besides made an original move here and then just consolidated for about a month and then just exploded today. So very limited information that can be taken from the daily chart. So that's why I want to focus on the 60-minute chart, because there's just a bit more information that we can extract from it. So let's first start off with just some support levels. Actually, let's take a step back. Let's just look at volume down here. You can see very nice volume on the day, gigantic volume basically the first couple hours when it made that big move, and then when it did pull back, you can see how volume dropped off. So from strictly a volume analysis standpoint, that's what you want to see. Big volume on the upwards moves, and then during pullback and sideways action, you want to see volume drop off. So exactly what happened with this one today. In terms of support levels, a couple that really stick out, but what I want to first just point out is notice how the moving averages are all starting to slope upwards. Not so much the 200 period, it is technically, but obviously these two have much steeper slopes to them. But they're all sloping up, have nice space in between them, so that really shows that hopefully this is the beginning of a much longer uptrend here. In terms of other levels of support, one level is right here, and it's not surprising why this is the case, and I'll explain that here in a second, but that's right here at a penny. You can see acted as resistance, and then when the price did get above it there, you can see it back tested, and every single time has held. And that's no surprise, like I said, because it is a penny, and usually that's a psychological support level or resistance level. So not surprising to see it peek its head up here on the technical chart. In terms of kind of must-hold supports, meaning overall you want to see the price continue to hold above it, that's going to go towards right here, the purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And I know nobody would want to see it drop all the way down there, but let's say it does real quick, falls down there, finds support, and then heads back up. This set of lows would still be higher than this set of lows. So when we go to draw our trend line, we would still be able to draw an uptrend line, and that's the name of the game. We want to be able to draw uptrend line. So while that wouldn't be the most exciting thing to see it drop all the way down there, it could still technically do it, and it would be still an overall bullish chart. So ideally, and hopefully, a penny doesn't or a penny holds, but if it were to drop down there, that would still be all right. In terms of resistance levels, let's try that again. Looking like a shorter term one right here at 0.0143, and then that would follow by up here at 0.016, and then nothing until where the profit taker stepped in up at 0.019. So with another nice surge in volume, I wouldn't be surprised at all to see this retesting these highs. But the volume's gonna have to pick up after, as you can see, it's clearly dropped off during this consolidation period. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there, and when you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it as a strategy to put more profits into your pockets and make an investment into your education, I'd encourage you to check out our course down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching that's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was MCIC. Thanks for listening.